Alright, welcome back to your Algebra 1 exam review packet. Let's take a look here. Alright, we're going to do part 16, finding slope from a graph. Really, this is pretty straightforward. Slope is just a measure of how steep a line is. And the most common way that we hear about it is rise over run. Another way we can think about it is delta y over delta x, which means change in y divided by change in x. And I sometimes like to think of it this way because change can be positive or negative. Remember, if it's a change in x, going to the left is negative, and going to the right is positive. If it's change in y, going up is positive, going down is negative. I think it's sometimes a little more clear than rise over run, but rise over run is the conventional way of doing it. So we're using it from a graph here. All we have to do is just see how far over and how far up or down. So our change in x was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's plus 7. And our change in y was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or negative 5. So that's negative 5 over positive 7 is our delta y over delta x. Next door here. From here to here, we went forward 2, and we went down 3. So that's plus 2 and minus 3. So our delta y over delta x was negative 3 over 2. Okay. Here, going from this point to this point, our delta y was negative 2, but our delta x, it doesn't move left or right at all, so it's 0. So delta y over delta x equals negative 2 over 0. However, this is a big no-no, division by 0. Try it out on your calculator. It'll say error. Or it'll say undefined. So anytime you see a line that's just straight up and down, its slope is undefined. It has no slope. Okay, let's do a couple more. Here, we've been going like left to right. Let's go right to left this time. This, our change in x, is negative 2, 2 spaces backwards. Our change in y is negative 1, that's 1 space down. So our delta y over delta x, our change in y, is negative 1. Our change in x is negative 2. And the two negatives cancel each other out. So that's the same as just 1 over 2. All right? So, let's see. Try a few more of these out on your own. Make sure you check your answers. If you have any questions, please ask. Good luck.